How's everybody doing? One more day till the weekend. It's Thursday evening, and tonight we are going to do a triptych. I said it right. Not that I've said it wrong, but I was thinking, watch what comes out of my mouth. Triptych. Okay, so we are going to do that. And it is going to be in resin, and it's going to be a Dutch pour. And the colors we are using tonight are the winter white. We are using blue jay, which is very, very pretty. We are using Granny Smith. These are all metallics. We are using Rustic Dune, and this is really cool. It's a reddy, rusty, perfect name, Rustic Dune. One of my customers picked that name. And last but not least, well, it's not last actually, Bella Violet. We are using Pretty Bella. And what is last is a little bit of the rose gold that I had made up. Okay, so we are going to get started. I'm going to try something and see if I can bring you down a bit better. How's that? Let's see how we do. So I made up a white for each board. Okay, this one's not too stable yet. Okay, there we go. Let's move some of these colors over, because this is going everywhere. Okay, and yes, I could spread this out with the hair dryer, but one, it's noisy, and two, I like using my hands because then I can get things like this piece of dried resin. I can make sure I get my edges completely. And I like this. I like the feel of the resin sliding on the board or whatever I'm using as my base. I just really enjoy that. Okay, so number 2. Yep, they are different sizes, but that's my plan. The bigger one in the center and the smaller ones to the side. Never done a triple, so this will be interesting. Hope it works out. If not, I can just pour on them separately. Oops. So I hope you guys have had a great week. I hope wherever you are, the weather was nice for you. It's been beautiful here. Goes by way too fast though. Way too fast. And I always go by the corn when we're out driving. Where we live is very close to the town, or the city of Barrie, but and the city of Toronto, but it's in between, so there's, you know, farm fields everywhere. And so I always, when we go out and about, I always go by the corn. And when the corn looks like it's as tall as me, if not taller, I know that's it. Summer's coming to an end. This year, corn got a bit of an earlier start because of all the rain we had at the beginning, but still, we're getting there. Okay, so let's get started. I think I'm going to start with the purple, the Bella Violet, and I'm going to do a design. That's the Bella Violet. Let's go with the next darker color. We'll go with the Rustic Dune. These are being poured just like a puddle. We're going to go with the Blue Jay. Then we are going to go with Granny Smith. Then I'm going to ring it all with white, extra white. I'm going to use it all. And now, last but not least, I'm going to put some gold into it. Okay, noise factor, guys. This is going to be a bit loud. I'm covering it with the white and then blowing the color out. Okay, now let's blow some of this color out. Okay, I'm leaving it just like that. And we are going to watch for a few minutes Chroma Chaos in action. And no, I didn't tell you because I wanted to see how this would go. This is what I did. I made a very little paste. I put a scoop of the color into my cup, a little scoop. Then I added some Chroma Chaos and made it a really thick paste, and I mean thick. And in all the colors except for the white. And then I added the resin to that, just like I would if it was any other paste or color. And poured it, just like everything else. So this, and I'm doing the heat because, not because of bubbles, you can see that, there are no bubbles. I'm trying to see if, like in an acrylic pour, this will bring up more cells. But this is actually kind of cool. I do like these colors mixed together. It's kind of interesting, folks. Very, very interesting. And I'm telling you, the runoff, my skins are going to be friggin' gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I left enough room beside them that the edges are getting some color too. Not a lot, just where it ran over. But that's fine. I like that. It's not drips. It's beautiful runoffs. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to bring you around. And I'm going to show you, hopefully, without turning you off. These are the edges. Then you go along. Now this one is in the faded, more faded colors. Then this one becomes brighter in the center. And then this one's the same. And can you see? Nope, you can't. How am I want you to see the edge. Can you see the edge along there? Sorry guys, I'm not good with moving my camera around, but we got some cells happening. Cells, cells, cells. Lots of little cells. And we'll see, because this, again, I used, like in Emma's table, I use metallics, but in a different way. So we will see, are the metallics too heavy to hold the cells of the Chroma Chaos? Or are we going to get these cells showing up? Because I got to blow the white over. We will see. We will see. This is kind of cool. I might do this again, because I bought a bunch of boards to do this when Canella and I did the Dutch pour at her place. It got me in the mood, and so I went and bought some boards, and I haven't used them yet, so here we go. Now I'll start to use them. I really like this, and we'll try different colors and whatever. I won't videotape it all. I won't visit. This is a one-time thing. Now we're gonna get, because it's that time of year, I have to start doing some fall stuff, but we're getting some new colors in for me to test. And some of them are in the fall colors. So I will do, maybe I'll do a test on a board and video that, and you can see the colors that I'm going to bring in before they're even in. Okay guys, this was Resin Dutch pour on a triptych. Ah dear. Now this is not the immature me coming out. I'm not laughing. I'm laughing because frig, I didn't say it. I didn't say it wrong. I didn't. Let's see. Calamelka. Chroma Chaos. Okay. Okay guys. Have a wonderful evening. Bye guys.